they clubbing, they chilling, they.
Good. But where are your things?
They are already in a taxi waiting for me.
Ah, good. Good. And the key, okay, put it here.
It's your
Put the key here.
Goodbye, Papa.
Alright, goodbye. I'll pray for you. Why? You didn't buy Bobby Tauchi. Why? Bye bye. I say bye bye.
Oh God.
Goodbye and good riddance. Goodbye and good riddance. Now we are free. Oh, goodbye and good riddance. That's all. That's all.
Oh, babies, I don't just understand where they go on. Eh? I don't just understand why Emily and the people will go ransack our joint. Ah, wow.
Madam, they claim our customers. We for do something. I mean, something seriously about it. We for not leave our customers for them to enjoy. Never.
You see, what really hurts me most is the guy who zooked the motorbike. Madam, we've lost him to them. You have to do something and fast.
You see the two guys where can pick Esnamen again?
Oh.
Those guys be our guys. Don't be the guys where can pick us last Friday. Madam, make you do some action.
Madam, make you confront Emily about it. I second. No, this not be fair. Teach Emily something. I mean something small. How?
Okay. You see that Emily? This afternoon, they go meet again. And I must show and say, now we get that joint.
Yeah.
Now we day before they come. And we must take back our joint.
Yes.
Whether they like them or not.
I trust you now.
What does she mean? But I take God beg now. No fight though. I take God beg now. No fight. Sure now they hear me so. Eh?
There will be no fight if you confront Emily.
That one no big problem. Make now leave that Emily for me. I go show that Emily say now weekday before they come. Emily, good afternoon. No be you are the greet good afternoon, so.
Woman, don't you disturb me. And in any case, there's nothing good about this afternoon to call it good. If you think it's good for you, you thank your stars. Now, what can I do for you?
Me and you get fight. At least offer me seat now.
Me offer you seats. Me offer you seats. Did you meet me sitting? Am I seated? Woman, if you think you can't stand and talk, it will be better you leave.
Anyway, my girls tell me say something happened. I want to know the kind misunderstanding what happened for joint yesterday.
Did you say misunderstanding? What misunderstanding?
My girls tell me say your girls go razak our joints, and I want to know the truth of the matter.
Woman, whatever your girls told you was true.
Hey Emily, you know from time immemorial say now we get that kind of joint, and as you dey see me so, I don't want any trouble. I don't just want any trouble. Sure you dey hear me so?
Selena, now you tell me, has the Metropolitan Authority assigned that place to you?
Emily, you surprised me. Oh. You surprised me. Well.
Don't you be. Now get this straight. That place is a no man's land. So it's first come, first served. In any case, you came to find out the truth, and now you know. So, good afternoon.
Emily, make I just tell you, the battle has just begun. And may I tell you, say, I go just make you know, say, now we get that joint.
Mommy.
Hey! Where you have a boy say what they quite?
Mommy. Mommy, my landlord has ejected me. And I have nowhere to go apart from here.
If you are Pamua, why the children had your kind of the family, my ba. For so quiet. Unless, come on, and grab them.
Hi, Philip. You heard mommy loud and clear. You are not welcome here.
Ernest, you too? So you support mommy, eh?
What do you expect me to do? After disgracing yourself and the whole family, you call yourself a man of God. A man of God who could not stay with one woman. Osofwa nehona eyenede. Osofwa oto ayase donku.
Ernest, don't be that ignorant. AIDS is not acquired only through sex. Besides, I don't have AIDS. I'm only HIV positive.
What is the difference between HIV and AIDS? My brother, you better leave. My friend, leave.
Hey! Leave him alone. If you are not going to take him, I will. Give me the bag. Philip, let's go. Make una just cool down. Cool down. Make una no vex so. Even though they don't can't ransack our joints. Una just cool down and see wetin God. Abi? Eh? Oh yeah, everybody, go take your joints. Yeah, shake it for me, babies.
Use your eyes!
I don't like the way you and Ernest are treating Philip.
Auntie, how do we treat him? He's a disgrace to this family.
Cecilia, you no come. Ernest can what? Well, what was saying anymore? Yes, Uncle Fifia. Minamon, near the uncertain tennis. Mammy went on the back. Software, Yadian. Yes, Fifia.
Don't mind what people will do. After all, they don't understand.
Atizi, if you are going to stay with him, then he shouldn't bath in our bath, drink from our cup, or eat in our bowls.
Minianes, what in the walk? Yedi Kai. Why did not know fear? One cop one with fear. On Fatan see fear. A guy who would you so good on the Yako, I had Bay. Tiafino won't quasso. Uncle Uncle, I got Trasma Yadianka, Kunya Ukran, won't trust you, would trust on us or the Yadian Bay.
Mammy. It's never true that someone can contract AIDS by sharing the same toilet with an HIV carrier.
Quanutum, one no crowd will be a bien, Obama, yes, Nibia. Quanutum or so from what? I could go so anyway, you won't fail it. Quanutum.
Haba, AGYA. What is the meaning of all these things? He is your son. Madam, calm down. Madam, if I put your pressure down a little bit. Madam, the thing where they see for down our joint. I think so these people they use nothing else but juju. Juju. Shut up, Esina. How can I calm down when I'm losing my business? How could all the men turn to them all of a sudden?
See, you don't see yourself. You dey talk calm yourself, madam. I saw where they talk. I believe perfectly well, madam. Perfectly well. Say na juju they use on the men, juju they use. You know be nothing. Ah, madam, you know they see am. Wait.
I will not be surprised.
Then, madam, make a full talk you just now. Some man did the way they help my former madam. Madam, if you no mind, I mean if you no biz, I go full take you there. Hey, where you go see? This man go give us yeah. Hey, trust me. Hey.
Into. Hey. Now who be this juju man where you dey talk about now, huh? What be his name?
Me amo. Now you be kiddie. You definitely me, Papa. Anyway, no. Him name Binana. Make you just feel the name.
Wait, oh, Bintu. You dey talk say Nano. It be so weird they talk, sister.
Madam, I make a yarn you this, so. I think I hear that name before. Somebody they tell me say this man a very powerful juju man. Powerful, oh. If I dey talk powerful, you dey hear me so powerful. Fire, bokasa like that. Fire.
Baby, around and Quamo, baby, Yarimo, baby, around missing Eranti, Umuna, maintain me, Ramasha, Wama, Manny, Mangasida, baby, around. Mr. Ozu! Mr. Ozu! Mr. Ozu, what are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? Huh? Why do you hang your HIV contaminated clothes here? Do you want to get all of us infected? And do you want to pollute the air? Now, take this. Anytime you wash your clothes, use it.
Mr. Osu, who told you that if I hang my clothes here, I will pollute the air? Besides, who also told you that if I use these condoms, you will not get infected?
Look, we will not take chances.
Wow, look at this. I also tell. Adiano,
What you fat Adiano say?
What is that?
What's that? Yes, me.
What is the matter with you? What is the matter between you?
Auntie, Philip cannot hang his clothes here. Philip wants to infect everybody in this house with the AIDS. Somebody told me if he hangs his clothes here, we can easily get the AIDS.
It is never true. All the information I have gathered about AIDS can only be acquired by blood contact.
Auntie, it's never true. The information I have is different from yours.
What do you know? You don't know anything.
Yes.
Yet you won't let us have a peace in this house.
Sinta, your subject is calling. Kanana, listen to the call of your subject. Nana. Oblukutu.
not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today determines tomorrow. So beware, love is just a time. So beware.
Bravo yen to boisier. Tide wo ye bia no nyabotre. Okosa jifa wodi me panyin che. Ade wo ho be da no hwe wo bi ehu abre. So bi ni ma wo bi tre. Feso jinya me de se bi bia wo ne mre. Ye jai se wo kro me ma to pre. Ena kwesi ko me kokodwo ho na yare. Ye kana wante wo kwante ade. Ye de se wo jira ho no hwe ye na wa hwe ase. Se wo ho ye na go no me che wo krache. Baba so kra man wo so we ni ate.
Life is not as easy as it looks. So sometimes it's nice and sometimes it's bitter. Instead you take today